In the real world, you can get rejected, ignored, embarrassed or judged, but online, you control everything. You choose when to reply. You choose what version of yourself people see. You can delete, edit, block, mute. Your brain loves control. Control equals safety. And safety feels better than vulnerability. Every notification, every like, every new video. That's dopamine, the same chemical tied to motivation and reward. Apps are designed, like slot machines, endless scroll, variable rewards. Unpredictable hits of pleasure. It's the same psychological loop used in places like Las Vegas Strip, just in your pocket. Real relationships. They take effort, time, awkward moments. Digital connection gives you instant reward without emotional risk. Your brain chooses the shortcut. Modern life is overstimulating, work.stress.responsibility. When you finally get alone time, your brain doesn't want more effort, it wants easy stimulation. Scrolling requires nothing from you, no emotional output, no eye contact. No reading social cues, just consume. That's why isolation feels peaceful, even if it slowly makes you feel empty. Here's the trap. You feel connected, but you're not actually bonding. Watching someone's life on a screen is not the same as sitting across from them. Your brain gets a tiny taste of connection, but never the full meal. And over time, that weakens your tolerance for real-world discomfort. You start avoiding conversations, avoiding vulnerability, avoiding growth. Men are taught to suppress emotion. So, instead of talking through stress, they distract themselves. Games, scrolling, porn. Sports clips. Podcasts. It feels productive. But it's emotional avoidance, and avoidance always compounds. Especially for young fathers and men building identity. You don't need isolation. You need intentional connection. Your brain isn't broken, it's conditioned to rewire it. Start small. 1 real conversation a day. 1 phone call instead of a text. 1 hour offline at night. Feel the discomfort. That discomfort is growth. Your brain will fight it at first. Because dopamine shortcuts are easy. But discipline rewires reward systems.